So welcome all. Today we are seeing something about operator grammars, right? Operator precedence parser we will see today. So basically we will see operator grammar and then the parsing algorithm. So something one can understand here, which is operator precedence parsing will be considered in bottom up parsers. Okay. So let me start with operator grammar. Like what an operator grammar can be. So basically any grammar which has certain which satisfies the following constraints, they will be called as operator grammar. So it is just a grammar that actually does not contain following. What are those things? First, it does not contain any lambda production, and second thing, that if they have two adjacent variables on the right hand side, if they have two adjacent variables on right hand side. Right hand side of production. So one thing that you have to understand is operator grammar will be that grammar where you don't have a epsilon production, lambda production, and you don't have two adjacent variables. Variables means non-terminals on the right hand side. If we want to see some example, then let me say suppose s derives something s plus s as well as s minus s, or it is s star s, it is okay. So such things are okay. Now second example, let me show. If it has something called s gives epsilon, so such thing will not be allowed in an operator grammar. Any production like s gives suppose ab, maybe after that this particular a gives something, this is allowed, b gives something, this is allowed, but this portion is not allowed, right? So for this reason this will not be a operator grammar. However, any such thing where we have something in between, some symbol in between, in that case they are operator grammar. So such operator grammar can be parsed with the help of operator precedence parsing algorithm. Okay, till now we have seen recursive descent parsers, non-recursive descent parsers. Now we are going to see something about operator precedence parsing algorithm. So operator precedence parsing algorithm. Okay, one thing that you understand is the arrangement. There will be this parsing algorithm. Let us say it is operator precedence parser, which will use the input, read from this input stream, and another thing will be your operator precedence parsing table, right? It will be used, and definitely you will have a stack, right? So this stack will also be used, so whenever we have such algorithms, you remember we have to deal with what is on the top of the stack as well as what is on the symbol where on in the input stream, right? So let us start with this thing that suppose A is top of a stack and B is something. B is what? Look at symbol. Okay. Then what are you going to do? You will see the conditions. If A is less than B or it is greater than B. So first condition, if A is less than B or maybe A is equal to B, in that case what you are going to do is you will shift this B, which is the input stream. You will shift this B and increment the input pointer. Right? Now second condition, if A is greater than B, in that case you will have to do something. What you are going to do? You will just repeat the following. What are you going to repeat? You will pop the stack. You will pop the stack till when? You will pop the stack until the top of a stack is less than recently popped element. Top of a stack is actually less than recently popped element. Okay. So now when you will have something in this scene where you will remove all those things which were greater than this particular symbol. So now here what you will have is on the top of the stack you will have something which is less than all the other things. So now when it will be success, it will be success if A is equal to B is equal to dollar, right? If A is equal to B is equal to dollar, in that case we will say string has been parsed successfully. Now the thing is, this grammar actually is able to I should say it can parse ambiguous grammars also. Yeah. Okay, so this is an important thing with operator precedence grammar or parser, operator grammar and operator precedence parser, because of which one may think of using such a parser, that it can also parse the ambiguous grammars, nothing else. More than that, you already have seen in the last video in an example how to parse a string using this stack and using this algorithm. Given the algorithm, you can take a string and check out how it is working. So today in this video we are just going through what operator precedence parser is, as well as we have seen what the parsing algorithm looks like for operator precedence parser. In the next video we will try to say about LR parsing algorithm. Okay, for then, thank you.